Hi, my name is Zeki with CRATUSTECH Technology. We are in Sensors Converge 2026 in Santa Clara, California, and we're a part of the Wireless Communications Alliance today, showcasing our wireless CAN bus bridge for industrial automation, energy management, robotics, and even data center applications. We're going to be doing a few interviews and real-time testimonials from customers as well as potential users of our system today. And hopefully it's going to be a great show.
Show me what you got there. It's an interesting thing.
Today we're showing our wireless CAN bus bridge or our wireless data bus bridge because we have versions available for CAN bus, RS485. And what this device does is it's a communications bridge between the two moving parts of a large system. You can use it on a mobile crane to communicate between the lower structure and the upper structure. You can use it in robotics applications, energy management applications, wherever CAN bus is required or an RS485 bus is required. This even goes to data centers. As you know, data centers are all centered around legacy systems, but the new systems that are coming in, such as the liquid cooling systems, are all based around CAN bus communications coming down from automotive applications.
So how does the power supply work on this one?
The power supply is 9 to 36 volt industrial compatible power supply. It has got 3 levels of protection. One starting from the cables. Our cables are cutting off at 36 volts. Then we have our isolated power supply, and also there is extra isolation between the wireless channels as well. So whatever you do to connect the main power supply from, say for example, an industrial machine, say for example a tower crane, the power supply of that crane does not interfere with the CAN bus. And the third level of isolation obviously is the wireless barrier. You can use it in whichever context you like with less than 10 millisecond latency on that bus. There's complete isolation and 3 levels of isolation between the two sides of the system. The crane operators, especially in the tower cranes, they always want to see the condition of the systems and the sensors monitoring those subsystems in the crane. They can have access to the data as well as the management, because the bridge has got 2 wireless links. One of them can be the CAN bus and the other can be a Wi-Fi.
So what kind of Wi-Fi do you need? Is it the latest technology or is it all backwards compatible?
This is backwards compatible. We have versions available 2.4 and 5, and we're going to be updating this in the next coming quarters and coming years as well. The important part here is it's using 2 ESP32 modules, and ESP32 modules are coming with ESP Now algorithm as well, or protocol. And ESP Now is what enables us to communicate with less than 10 millisecond latency from one box to the other.
Okay, maybe the advocate of the devil here. Can it work on 5G private networks in the factories?
When we change the modules, absolutely. So you're asking about a private closed 5G network, right?
Yes, the private.
Is perfectly compatible to be used in 2 parts of the system. One can be a forklift, the other can be the infrastructure, and so on and so forth.
It's very interesting, especially in manufacturing with robots. It's even in emergencies, right? When the cable breaks, you just bring the unit in and the show can go on.
Absolutely. And you can change one piece of the one component of the system, the other component does not get affected. And as you can see, we've got dip switches here. The installation is extremely easy. If you basically dial the same address on the new component, you're good to go, and there's no updates, there's no commissioning, or there's no extra effort needed to be serviced.
Right, very interesting. Happy you be here.
Thank you, and we're having a great show, and we're going to be going on for 2 days. Thank you, guys.